Berlin, the vibrant capital of Germany, is a city that effortlessly blends its rich history with modern creativity and innovation. From its diverse culinary scene to its iconic landmarks and lush green spaces, Berlin offers a multitude of experiences for travelers. In this video, we'll delve into the essence of Berlin, covering everything from its classic breakfast options to exciting activities, beer prices, the city's natural surroundings, ideal weather months, and preferred payment methods. Start your day in Berlin with a hearty and quintessentially German breakfast. Head to a local cafe or bakery for a Frühstück, which typically includes fresh bread or rolls, cold cuts like ham and cheese, boiled eggs, jam, and a strong cup of coffee. Don't forget to try the famous Berliner Pfannkuchen, Berliners, a jelly-filled donut. Begin your exploration at the iconic Brandenburg Gate, an emblematic symbol of Berlin's reunification. It's a great starting point for a stroll down Unter den Linden Boulevard, where you can visit museums like the Museum Island and admire historic architecture.
Here we go.
Immerse yourself in Berlin's vibrant street art culture at the East Side Gallery. This open-air gallery features murals painted on a section of the former Berlin Wall, serving as a powerful reminder of the city's history and artistic spirit. The East Side Gallery is located along the 1.3-kilometer, 0.8-mile stretch of the Berlin Wall, which once divided East and West Berlin. It runs parallel to the Spree River in the Friedrichshain-Kreuzberg district. After the fall of the Berlin Wall in 1989, over 100 artists from around the world were invited to transform the remnants of the wall into an outdoor art gallery. They created a stunning array of murals and graffiti that convey messages of hope, unity, and freedom. Explore the Museum Island, housing world-class museums, like the Pergamon Museum and the News Museum. It's a cultural treasure trove that offers insight into art, history, and archaeology. Berlin is renowned for its vibrant nightlife and beer culture. In local pubs and beer gardens, you can expect to pay around €3 to €4 for a half-liter, 0.5 liters of drop beer. Craft beers and imported options may be slightly more expensive. However, Berlin's affordable beer prices make it a fantastic place to savor a cold brew while mingling with locals and fellow travelers. Berlin boasts an abundance of green spaces and natural surroundings that provide a refreshing escape from the urban hustle. Berlin's Central Park, Tiergarten, offers lush lawns, walking paths, and serene lakes. It's an ideal spot for a leisurely stroll or a picnic. Go visit the Muggelsee. This picturesque lake, located on the outskirts of Berlin, is perfect for swimming, hiking, and enjoying water sports in the summer months. For a taste of Berlin's forested nature, head to Grunewald, a vast forested area offering hiking and cycling trails. The best time to visit Berlin for pleasant weather is during the late spring, May and June, and early autumn, September and October. During these months, you can expect mild temperatures and less rainfall, making outdoor activities and sightseeing enjoyable. Summers, July and August, can be warm, while winters, December to February, can be cold with occasional snowfall. In Berlin, as in most of Germany, the preferred payment method is cash, and it's widely accepted. In Germany, you primarily pay with the euro. However, credit and debit cards, especially Visa and MasterCard, are also widely used and accepted in hotels, restaurants, shops, and public transportation. Mobile payment apps such as Apple Pay and Google Wallet are becoming increasingly popular and are accepted at many establishments. The cost of accommodation in Berlin can vary widely depending on your preferences, the type of lodging you choose, and the time of year you visit. Berlin offers a wide range of accommodation options to suit different budgets, from budget-friendly hostels and guest houses to luxury hotels. Berlin has a variety of budget-friendly accommodations, including hostels, guest houses, and budget hotels. Prices for dormitory beds in hostels can start as low as €10 to €20 per night, while budget hotel rooms typically range from €40 to €80 per night. In summary, while Berlin can offer affordable accommodation options, prices can vary widely based on your preferences and the time of your visit. It's advisable to plan and book your accommodation in advance, especially during peak seasons, to secure the best rates and options that align with your budget and travel style. In conclusion, Berlin offers a captivating blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. Whether you're indulging in a traditional German breakfast, exploring iconic landmarks like the Brandenburg Gate, or enjoying the city's green spaces, Berlin's diverse offerings make it a must-visit destination for travelers seeking a rich cultural experience and a taste of modern German living.